We're here.
We're here.
And it's raining. Good morning.
Good morning.
And hello from the Lewis River in Southwest Washington.
In the Gifford Pinchot National Forest.
We are smack dab right in the middle between Mount St. Helens, Mount Adams, and we see blue sky. Breaking news.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It is kind of like the 5th winter in May happening right now. So.
Yeah. Month number 5 of winter this year.
But we are back in one of our favorite places. We have not been here for a really long time. We are going to hike from about a mile down from the lower falls up to the upper falls and show you a ton of waterfalls in between. So I'm so excited for today's adventure.
The lower falls, the middle falls, and the upper falls. And what else? There's one right over there.
It's gonna be waterfalls all day long.
Yeah.
So
let's go.
let's do this.
Freaking awesome. All this wood, sun came out at the right time. We got steam coming off. Wow. Got a creek that we gotta go across. Yeah. Come on. There you go. Wow.
Another world.
Oh, she stepped right in the dead center of it, folks. How does she feel about that one?
My legs aren't that long. Wow.
We are approaching our first waterfall, the Lower Lewis River Falls. Probably the most popular one you always see on Instagram and all that stuff. But it's how high?
It is 43 feet high, 200 feet across.
Yeah, it's not very high, but it's massive across.
The water, it just rages through here.
Yeah.
It's become so popular over the last few years that the Forest Service has restricted use, I think through late May through about
September,
August,
October?
September time frame. So you do have to have a pass, reserve a time to get into the lower, middle, and upper falls.
I don't think you can park on the side of the road anymore.
No, you will get ticketed if you park on the side of the road.
Yep.
So don't do that.
So,
but we'll put a link in our description below.
Yeah.
So you can go to the Forest Service website if you're interested in checking out this beautiful recreation area.
Yeah. Wow.
That was so gorgeous every time.
Love those falls. All right, we're at 1.4 miles and yeah, let's go to the middle falls.
Let's do this.
Did you see the secret waterfall?
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
How many is that now?
3, I think.
3 or
3
4.
including the lower falls. Secret waterfalls around every turn.
Yep.
All right, we got a mile and a half to the middle falls. We had to take a bit of a detour on this trail up the road here because there was a landslide and I think part of the hillside collapsed because of all the trees that came down. So up the road we go and on to the middle falls. Let's do this. Waterfall number 4, we've got Cooper Creek Falls. A 32-foot drop. I'm not sure how far across it is, but still beautiful. All right, let's go look up close. good sign when you see the dead end sign laying on the ground. Onto the upper.
Right above us. Like Vegas.
So cool.
See it. See the upper.
Woo! Almost there.
We've made it to number 3, baby. Wow. This is insane.
This is so crazy.
I think that's my favorite. We've never been here, but
That's definitely my favorite.
I think
And
so.
no, it's not raining. It
No.
is the spray from the falls.
yeah, we're getting soaked down here.
But I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Wow.
This is gorgeous.
We're at 4.6 miles. We've added a little bit more because down to the water and up and around and stuff, but yeah.
Oh,
Dang.
wow. This is totally worth the hike.
That is it from the upper falls of the Lewis River.
And done. So beautiful.
It's freaking awesome.
Never been there before.
Yeah, Had some lunch and
Flew the drone.
yeah.
Oh my
and
gosh.
turned around and
Now we're headed
back
back
down
to the
we
car.
go. So let's go.
Let's do this.
Did we make it back yet?
Nope, we're only at the middle falls.
Are we at the car yet?
Nope, only at the lower falls. But if you have your tent with you, we can just camp here.
Oh, I wish.
All right, let's do this. Hey, we're finally done. Oh, that was an amazing hike. We had so much fun.
Yeah, we did 8.5 miles.
853 feet in elevation. And it took us about 4 hours and 10 minutes in moving time. But we stopped a lot to film and all that, so.
Yeah.
Definitely, it was an amazing hike. We've never done from falls to falls to falls. The upper falls were definitely my favorite.
Yeah.
Your favorite too?
This is one of the most beautifulest freaking rivers in Southwest Washington, and
Yeah.
amazing day.
Definitely on our top 10 hikes for 2022.
Yeah.
And I would say there were so many more waterfalls than we could even film.
Yeah. Springtime is a great time to go.
Great time.
So
Tell us what your favorite falls were in the comments below.
Yeah.
We would love to hear it.
Lower, middle, or upper. So,
All right, well, thank you for joining us on our PNW adventures. We'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye. Turn off the lights. Somebody loves the road, doesn't she? Oh, she just loves that road. Poor girl. She always gets motion sickness on that road. Picture.
So gorgeous.
Yeah, had some lunch and turned around and back down. But don't fall. Damn it. Alright, we're just gonna stand still because if we look at the camera, we're gonna die. Okay? Look at all that. Die, 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 die. Die.
All right.
Shh. Don't tell anybody we took the road back from the lower falls. Shh.